Yo, what's up? Okay, we're gonna add, subtract, and multiply polynomials. It's gonna be really quick one as well. So check it out, check it out. All right, so here in our first examples, go ahead and write these down on your paper. All we have to do is combine like terms whenever we're adding or subtracting. So check this out. So for the first one, we have 2x cubed plus x minus 4, and then we're going to add x squared minus 2x plus 5. So we have 2x cubed. Do we have any x cubed over here? We don't. So we're going to be stuck with 2x cubed. What about x here? Well, first, do we have any, we have x cubed. Do we have any x squareds? So we do on the second one. So we're going to add x squared. And then now we're going to go to x's, just x to the first. So we have plus x here and then minus 2x here. So we're going to end up with minus x. X minus 2x is minus x. And then negative 4 plus 5, that is going to be plus 1. So there is our answer for this one. All right, this one over here, the biggest thing about subtraction is that you have to distribute this negative to every term. Okay, so we have x to the fourth, and then we have an x to the third here. So we're going to subtract x to the third. Now we have x squared minus x squared, so that's going to be 0. And then we have minus x, and then plus 1 here. So that's going to be the answer for this. Just make sure you're distributing this negative to all of the terms. All right. And so this is kind of a way to do operations with polynomials kind of in a different way. So we have f of x is defined by x plus 1. G of x is defined by this polynomial, x cubed minus x plus 1. And now this says find f plus g of x. So all you have to do here is add f and g together. That's all you got to do. So we're going to have x cubed. Sorry about that. We're going to have x cubed. And then we don't have any x squared terms. But we do have x minus x here. So we're going to have 0x. And then we're going to have plus 1 here and plus 1 here. So that's going to be plus 2. So that's f plus g of x. Now this one says fg of x. This one's multiplication. So we have to multiply these two together. So we are going to have to distribute. And this can be kind of a painful process because we have to multiply x to all these terms and then 1 to all of these terms. So we're basically extended foiling. Okay. So first we're going to do x times x cubed. That's going to be x to the fourth. And then x times negative x, which is minus x squared. Then x times 1, which is x. Now I'm going to multiply everything by 1. So 1 times x cubed, that's x cubed. 1 times negative x, that's negative x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we just have to order these and combine like terms. So we have x to the fourth plus x cubed minus x squared. And then we have x minus x, so that's 0. And we have plus 1. So that's actually going to be it. This is our answer. All right, so all you have to do when you're multiplying is basically extended FOIL stuff, okay? All right, so that's going to be it for this video. See you in the next one. We're going to divide next video. It's going to be crazy. Who would have thought?